quick unboxing, and so you can see what is in there. So there's a little slide sleeve. Probably should have thought about this better. I'm just going to pop there. I have to say it isn't a very heavy box. It says on the cardboard box there that it is about 4 kgs, but I mean for the helmet and that, it doesn't really feel that heavy, so I have a feeling that it's probably going to be semi-plastic. So here we have just, I guess, instructions on how to use the helmet with batteries and what have you. We have the game, which servers don't go live until Wednesday, so unfortunately we won't be seeing any gameplay until then. Nothing until Wednesday evening probably, I would say. Some cool little Fallout figurines. I think if you're a collector you don't open this pack, because I would say in a couple years time these might actually be worth quite a bit if you keep them in good condition. A Fallout poster, which I think is the map, actually. I think that's the map of the game. And here we go with the main reason for the pre-order. Jesus, look at the size of that thing. So obviously I don't think there's any batteries in it. I don't think they would load that in there, but it's actually, it is very plastic. I mean, I didn't expect it to be metal, but I did expect it to maybe weigh a little bit more than that. Little netting to go around the head. Is there any padding inside? No, there is like a helmet strap, but that's about it. That looks like it could be a very flimsy, breakable thing. So if you got kids, maybe don't let them play with it. It does come with batteries, so it just takes 3 AAA batteries, and then a little sack. I'm not sure, and this might be for I doubt it's for the helmet. It might just be a little bag. Let's have a look. We'll see if it. Yeah, it's just a little. Actually, you probably could fit the helmet into that, if a bit of a squeeze, but just a neat little bag, I guess. So yeah, there we go. So we have our helmet, which I think was hugely popular when the game got announced. And that's it. That's your Fallout 76 Power Armor Edition right there. Like I said, game's not out until Wednesday, so servers won't be available till Wednesday, so a couple days and then we'll be able to jam that. We'll try and ignore a lot of the beta impressions that have been talked about, because to be honest they weren't the prettiest of impressions, and from what I hear the day one patch is about 96 gigs, so it's going to be pretty insane. But yeah, there we go, there we have it. If you're getting the game, let me know. This is just a quick little stream just to show you what's in the box if you have pre-ordered. or if your retailer still has copies and you're tossing up whether you want to get it or not. So yeah, anyway, I might be on a bit later. If not tonight, we'll be doing some Destiny 2 on Xbox. I do have it on PS4, but I've got it for Xbox, so we'll be jamming that. Awesome, guys. See you later.